Okay, now that you've unpacked your new VersaLink B405 and taken it out of the box, before you start it up, I want to make sure that you have your power cable plugged in and plug in a network cable connected to your network before you turn it on. Make sure that you have added some paper to one of the trays. Once that's in place, go to the front of the machine and you'll see the power button right there in the lower right corner of the screen, which by the way is tiltable and can be adjusted for your convenience. Touch the power button. When you see the setup utility, you don't have to make any selections, but you do have to work through the utility one step at a time. It'll first ask you to select your language. Touch next. It will then ask you which type of network, and your Ethernet will be your primary choice. Wait for a second. Touch next. Skip the proxy server setup. Basically, you won't make any more changes until the setup routine is done. Keep touching next or skip. Your IT department will set up all the other apps. Uncheck all these boxes and then touch next. Skip on the security settings. IT will configure all of these appropriately after the machine is set up initially. Touch done. After a few minutes, the machine will print out a startup page. When your startup page prints out, take a look at the TCP/IP IPv4 address. Record that address and give it to your IT department. If the startup page doesn't print or if you misplace it, you can get the same information by going to the machine, touch device, touch about, scroll to the lower part of the page and you will see the IPv4 address. You want to give that address to the IT department so that they can complete the setup of your new machine.